Hello again! Today we're going to learn how to search for document versions in the library. Navigate to the library section on top of the screen. Remember that this is where versions live. If a project does not have a version yet, it will not be visible here. Start entering the tags that describe your request. Select them and click Search. It might be that you see a lot of versions. You can narrow down your search adding extra tags and searching again. Once you have found the right one, you can navigate to them and see a preview of the files, consult the version messages, and go to the request that generated the document version. Here you can confirm you have the right project and files. Finally, you are also able to create a new project request from the version you selected, so that new changes or a totally new design can be created. All information from the version will be linked in the new project after you hit that Send button. Cheers and have a good day!